Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, and speakers. Removal. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the two USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the two USB board ribbon cables from the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 6 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the system board to the base enclosure. Lift the USB-C bracket off of the system board and remove. Carefully lift the left edge of the system board off of the alignment pins and guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Remove the system board. Note: before installing a new system board, remove the heatsink from the old system board and install on the new system board. Reverse this procedure to install the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,